In this video, I'm going to show you a talking clock that I got for Christmas, which wakes me up with alarms telling me the time in the morning. I was tired of I asked Santa for this because I was tired of random, all the stupid alarm sounds, like these stupid beeps, waking me up in the morning. I need something real to help make me up better and get me active. So I got this clock talking. Let me get a quick info to it quickly. As you can tell by now, it's 5:28. It's the 12th of January. That's why I have that 112 column there. And today might so happen to be Friday, because you can see how the Friday bar is circled. At 9:04 p.m. Oh, wait, that's not the correct alarm. Hold on. Cake. Here we go, alarm. That's alarm 2. That's the time I get up in the morning, 8:30 a.m. That's when our alarm goes off. 5:29 p.m. 69.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm lucky to have this clock because this clock is a Steel brand company. This is actually as a matter of fact, just to let you know, guys, if you want to buy this clock, search this on Amazon, I guess. Search that Mr. Talk, because that's the basic name of the company who made this. So, Mr. Talk, talking alarm clock. And on the buttons, you have your capability to set everything. The time is 5:30.